Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VLC versus Plex. We'll explore their core functionalities, ideal use cases, and help you decide which media solution best fits your needs. VLC is a free, open-source media player, while Plex offers a comprehensive client-server system for organizing and streaming your media. Let's dive into the details of each platform to understand their unique strengths and weaknesses. VLC Media Player is renowned for its incredible versatility. It effortlessly handles virtually any video or audio format you throw at it without needing extra codecs. This lightweight, open-source player is perfect for local playback, offering advanced controls and even media conversion. It's a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a straightforward, powerful player for their desktop or laptop. Plex transforms your scattered media into a beautifully organized library. It automatically adds rich metadata, posters, and summaries, making your collection easy to browse. With Plex, you can stream your movies, TV shows, and music to dozens of devices, anywhere in the world, through its robust client-server architecture. It's ideal for creating a personal, accessible media hub. Ultimately, the choice between VLC and Plex depends on your specific requirements. If you primarily need a powerful, local media player for diverse file types, VLC is your champion. However, if you desire a comprehensive system for organizing, streaming, and sharing a large media library across multiple devices, Plex is the superior option. Both are excellent, but serve different, distinct purposes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.